Lecture 3 Digital Marketing Strategy. Welcome to this lesson on creating a digital marketing strategy. In this lesson, we will be discussing the steps involved in developing a comprehensive plan for promoting products or services online. So, where do you start when creating a digital marketing strategy? The first step is to define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your digital marketing efforts? Do you want to drive traffic to your website, increase sales, or build brand awareness? Clearly defined goals will help guide your strategy and ensure that you are working towards measurable outcomes. The next step is to conduct market research. This will help you understand your target audience and the competitive landscape. You can use tools like Google Analytics and social media analytics to gather data on your current audience, and you can also conduct surveys and focus groups to gather insights directly from potential customers. Once you have a clear understanding of your goals and target audience, you can start to identify the channels and tactics that will be most effective for reaching your objectives. This could include things like SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and PPC advertising, among others. It is important to consider a range of options and create a balanced mix of tactics that will work together to achieve your goals. Once you have identified your channels and tactics, you will need to create a plan of action. This should include specific tasks and milestones that will help you track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Finally, it is important to regularly review and assess the effectiveness of your digital marketing strategy. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. In summary, creating a digital marketing strategy involves defining your goals, conducting market research, identifying effective channels and tactics, creating a plan of action, and regularly reviewing and assessing your progress. By following these steps, you can develop a comprehensive plan for promoting your products or services online.